Hey everyone, it's Rico with you today. In this video I will show you the best Topaz settings to make your video look sharp, clear and professional. Let's start. Take your clip and drag it into Topaz. After that, just follow the same steps I did.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Before applying the settings, the video looked blurry. Now this is after applying the settings. It looks sharp, clean and much better. You can see the big difference. Now put your clip in After Effects and apply your color correction. If you already have your own CC, use it here. If you don't have one, don't worry. I will make a tutorial soon to show you how to create your own CC. That's it for this tutorial. I am Rico. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.